In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to import a CSV file into Notion step by step. This is perfect if you're coming from Excel, Google Sheets, Airtable, or any other spreadsheet tool, and you want to move your data directly into Notion without rebuilding everything manually. Whether you're managing tasks, tracking finances, organizing content, or building a database, importing CSV files can save you a massive amount of time. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future Notion tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to Notion. You can do this by visiting notion.so and signing into your account if you're not already logged in. Once you're inside your Notion workspace, navigate to the page where you want to import your CSV file. This can be an existing page or a brand new page that you create just for this import. If you want a clean setup, click on New Page from the sidebar and give it a name so you can easily recognize it later. Now that you're on the page where you want your CSV data to live, click anywhere on the page so your cursor is active. Next, type /import on your keyboard. This opens Notion's Import menu, which allows you to bring in content from different file types and external tools. As you type, you'll see several options appear below your cursor. From the import options, look for CSV and click on it. This tells Notion that you want to import a comma-separated values file and convert it into a database. Once you click CSV, Notion will prompt you with an upload option. Now click on Upload CSV. A file picker window will open on your computer. From here, locate the CSV file you want to import. This could be a file exported from Excel, Google Sheets, or another platform. Select the file and click Open. Notion will now begin uploading and processing the CSV file. After the upload finishes, Notion will automatically create a database from your CSV file. Each column in your CSV becomes a property in Notion, and each row becomes a database entry. Take a moment to review the data and make sure everything imported correctly. You may notice that Notion automatically assigns property types, such as text, numbers, or dates. If anything doesn't look right, you can click on the column header and change the property type to better match your data. At this point, you can start customizing your database. You can rename columns, reorder them, add new properties, or switch between different views, like table, board, calendar, or list view. This is one of the biggest advantages of importing CSV files into Notion, because once your data is inside Notion, it becomes fully flexible and customizable. And that's it. You've successfully imported a CSV file into Notion in just a few simple steps. This method works on both free and paid Notion plans, and is one of the fastest ways to move structured data into your workspace. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Notion tutorials, productivity tips, and workflow guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.